What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com. We're doing a market review today on the S&P 500 and a couple of the stocks that we were watching and trading. First and foremost, S&P 500 not doing a lot today. Today is the first trading session of the week, being Monday. Friday was a bit of a soft day. I've mentioned this in Ask a Trader that there's a decent correlation between a weak Friday and a weak Monday. It's always something to watch. It's not always necessarily true, but a lot of times when we have a weak Friday, that kind of runs into having a weak Monday. Today, case in point, price action slid, came off, still holding that 20-day simple moving average. So still a very, very bullish situation. You can see that it put in its low and ticked a bit higher off that 20. So nice little situation on the S&P. However, as you can see, values on the day were down. We're still looking to take out this flat top right through here. It's not necessarily a level of resistance yet because it hasn't been tested. It's been created but not tested. Really, ultimately, right now we've got trend line resistance right through here, and we'd be looking through a pop of this level right through here for the S&P 500 to get going to the bull side. Just waiting on that momentum to uptick. Right now, again, a little bit soft, not a lot going on, but with that, it's a prime shorting opportunity. The big thing about the S&P, it's important to know that tech really does run the game. And in tech, there are some really, really big stocks like Facebook and Apple that, you want to keep your eye on. Today, for example, Apple was what I was looking to trade. I got into more of the option-based strategy. So if you're an options trader, this review video really is for you. The S&P and a host of other stocks, including Apple, was quite soft out of the gate. Pre-market activity, you can see that it actually set these two lows right through here. This little structured area of support was marginally higher than this, let's call it pre-market low. But price was looking like it wanted to come off. Price right out of the gate was a short for me right here. As soon as this little double bottom support level was tested right through here on the short side with momentum diving and that 221.57 level being taken out on Apple, I immediately started to short this, and I piled in to a position that was rich in puts. And so essentially what happened is I was picking up, I think they were 83 or 84 cent puts. There were two strikes out, and I just held them. It was a very, very simple strategy. You can see that we saw some early morning volatility. This little uptick right through here did not stop me out of my position. I held through them. There were a number of other factors that I was taking into consideration as to why I was holding them short. And then right through here, it broke down again. And it rallied. 20 did a good job of holding it down. It did rally. That VWAP could not do anything except hold price action lower, and then right down through here there was a nice rip. Again, really big test. I held these right into the close, so essentially front to back within about 6 to 7 minutes of the market opening, right into the close. I held these. They saw $1.96 high on the day. These are the puts that I was trading, and I think I let these go for almost a full point of movement. I might have been just under that, maybe making 98 or 99 cents per contract. So again, not a bad trade. Apple did well, and with Apple going down and Facebook not doing particularly well today, it's no reason why the S&P had a bit of a soft day. Outside of that, we were also shorting some market movers today, which I'll get into in the video library for the members area. A little bit more complicated than a simple speculative options play, and so I will break that down step by step in the members area. We are going to be talking about this in Ask a Trader. If you want to get involved with Ask a Trader, we are hosting that on Tuesdays and Thursdays. There is a link in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please, guys, leave your comments below. Let me know if there's anything you want me to touch on, or if you have any questions that you'd like me to go over. By all means, please leave a comment below. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks for watching this market review on the S&P 500 and this little trade recap on Apple. We'll see you in the next video.